Today, I'll guide you through the process of building a website using the AI technology. With this AI, you can create stunning websites in just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Hoku's AI makes it easy to create a professional website without any coding. Go to the Hoku's AI website builder. With this tool, you can create any website. Enter your email to get started. The AI website builder creates business-ready websites in minutes, complete with useful text, design, and images. Just answer 8 quick questions, and your free website is ready to go. What category best describes your website's purpose? Store, services, portfolio, blog. You can search to find the theme that matches your profession, passion, or hobby, or you can browse through categories. I am choosing Create a Portfolio. Select Graphic Design Portfolio and continue. Now, tell the AI tool what you want to do with your website. This will help create the tools and pages you need. I am selecting these options and continuing. Here, select where your business is physically based, like a store address or the area you service, or if it's an online service. I am choosing online. So now what do you want your business to be called? I am entering User Experience, UX, Design Services. Select to highlight 3 unique aspects of your business. We will generate more customized content based on your selection. How would you like your website visitors to contact you? I am choosing the website contact form and continuing. Now, I'm sure you're learning, so make sure to like this video. Your website has been created with the AI Tool Builder. Now you can further customize the website's look and theme by changing the settings, colors, fonts, and more. Whatever changes you make will be updated in real time. Now, click on Create My Website. Now, leave all the work to the AI Builder. It will do everything for you. Once this process is done, your site has been successfully created. And there you have it. It looks great and awesome. Now, you can easily change the header logo, text, edit or delete, and much more. Here, you can edit the main landing header text and description. You have full access and control to make changes as per your requirements. Once you're done, you can click here to view your website. Your website has been opened with this domain, and it's permanent. And there you have it. You can navigate across the pages, and I love it. It's awesome and wonderful. I have never seen something like this before. Now, let's have a look at the mobile view. In today's mobile-centric world, it's crucial to have a website that looks great on smartphones and tablets. Hoku's AI automatically generates a mobile version of your website, but you can further customize it to ensure a seamless user experience across all devices. Use the mobile editing options to adjust the layout and optimize the content for mobile viewers. So, in this way, you can create your awesome website in just a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your own website. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to like it and subscribe for more awesome videos like this.